What I loved the most in this seminar was the trigger, how you manage it. I believe this training is a big turning point for us and for many others who will learn to recognize their worth and believe them. I'm truly grateful for the knowledge that you've given us today, insight and encouragement you shared me, not only me, but to all of us. God bless you, Miss Tony. I hope you continue to inspire and help many more people.
What I love about you is that you keep on boosting our confidence. We would like to thank you for guidance, support. Your mentorship has truly made a big impact on us. Thank you again, Miss Tony.
Your professionalism, inspiring words, and practical insights made a big difference. Thank you for motivating us and helping our team grow. Thank you, Miss Tony.
Natuto ako paano mas i-express yung sarili ko when it comes to my appearance, kung paano ko gagawin yung mga tamang gestures and everything when it comes to talking with clients. And of course, natuto rin ako kung paano kong mas patitibayin yung motivation ko sa sarili ko. And of course, natutunan ko, mas parang nakapag-isip ako kung anong dapat ko iset na goal for me para maiwasan yung mga failures and syempre para mas maging successful pa. Thank you.
It's really about loving yourself, you know, looking your best, you know. Yun yung talagang tumatak sa akin, looking your best, because looking your best is goes a long way. And also, I'm very grateful for this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity with Miss Tony. So, thank you, Filigree.
It's very informative and very helpful, especially to us as a sales representatives, and very enjoyable while we're having learnings. Thank you.
This training is very informative, and I can use this one as to empower my team, and I'm very thankful that I'm being part of this training, and I'm looking forward that I can join if there will be another training by Miss Tony Miranda. Thank you again.